In this video, I'll show you how to find your Binance user ID. First, open the Binance app on your phone or go to the Binance website and log into your account. Make sure you are using the official Binance platform because your user ID is connected to your personal account details. Once you are logged in on the Binance app, go to the home screen and tap the profile icon in the top left corner. This will open your account menu where you can see your profile information, security settings, rewards, and other account options. Near the top of this menu, you should see your account nickname, email, or phone number. In the same area, Binance usually shows your user ID, sometimes labeled as UID. This is a unique number assigned to your Binance account. If you see the UID on the screen, you can tap the copy icon next to it. This will copy the user ID to your clipboard so you can paste it into a message, support form, referral form, or anywhere else Binance asks for it. If you are using Binance on a computer, log in to the Binance website and click your profile icon in the top right corner. In the account drop-down menu, look near your profile name or account information. Your user ID or UID should be displayed there. Another way to find it is by going into your account dashboard. Open your profile, then check Dashboard, Account, or Profile Details. Binance may show your UID in one of these sections depending on the version you are using. Your Binance user ID is useful when contacting Binance support, joining promotions, using referral features, or identifying your account in certain Binance services. It is not the same as your email address, phone number, wallet address, or transaction ID. You can share your UID with Binance support when needed, but you should never share your password, verification codes, authenticator codes, or private wallet information with anyone. If you cannot see your UID right away, update the Binance app, log out and log back in, or check from the Binance website instead. And that's how you find your Binance user ID. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.